your statements. Woo! Holy shit! What's good, YouTube? Your boy got a new exhaust. I got the AWE touring exhaust, and I'm here with my cousin. It's pretty cool. We got the res. So this is the whole kit right here. We got the res, and then this breaks off into the welds on these look pretty good. And these are the tips as well. They're better than the tips I have now, honestly. Looks really nice. I'm gonna have to keep cleaning these a lot though.
You're going.
Alright guys, the exhaust is out. Now we're gonna be assembling the AWE, putting that shit in there. So Finally! Oh my god! Alright. It's not bad actually. It sounds actually amazing. Yo, the exhaust is most definitely on. We're gonna get a little bit of driving clips on the way back home. I think it actually sounds pretty good. Way better than before. The rasp is virtually gone. It's a little bit quieter. I could gun down the car and it actually sound nice. These sound so nice. Holy shit! Bro, almost all the rasp is gone, bro. So that's it for this video, guys. I'm glad you stayed till the end, watching the whole thing, installing my AWE touring exhaust. It was a pain in the ass, but look at it. It sounds amazing. And it looks good. Now all we need to do is just give it a nice little wash and we're good. Let me know down below what more modifications I should do to my Audi. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.